What's up, West High? Welcome back to Electives Elevated. And today, we're going to check out the woodworking class.
One of the main things we do is like we build projects and everything. Like first year, you build like a table kind of thing,
Cricket table.
cricket
That's what it's
table.
called.
You do that in your first year, and then in your second year, you get more freedom to build whatever you want, being furniture or cabinetry. And then one of the other main things you do is you learn about like the process behind like manufacturing and construction. You learn about like the more productive ways to do it, and you learn about how to design projects and everything.
I mean, I think it's really fun to be able to, just be able to work on a project, just cutting, building stuff with wood I just think it's really fun. And learning about the lean manufacturing and everything, I think is great.
Also, Mr. Rodabar is a really cool guy.
Oh, the teacher.
Top 10.
We kind of just build projects and then we get to bring them home at the end of the year. It doesn't really feel like a class, it feels more like an activity.
I would say you should take woodworking because it gives you a lot of life skills. Like you learn a lot of ways that you can like more productively design or something, and like how you can more effectively do things in your house, like how to organize stuff like that. And also just because it's a really fun class, you learn a lot, and the people in it are pretty chill. And once again, Mr. Rodabaugh, top 10 teacher.
Yeah.
Anything to say?
No, I think you covered it.
Thanks for watching, West High, and see you next time on Electives Elevated.